Which mask should I buy for damaged hair? Which mask should I buy for hair fall? Which mask should I buy to add some shine to my hair? If all these are your questions, then this video is going to give you the answers. I'll look around. Hello friends, I'm Jaggusheni, and in today's video I'm going to do a review and a comparison between 3 hair masks from Toni & Guy, Schwarzkopf and Mamaearth. Now I have 2 of these hair masks already reviewed in detail in my channel, the links of which are in my description box down below. However, I have some of my viewers commenting under those videos that is this hair mask better than the one that you had reviewed? Which one is better if I have this type of hair? And some of you had also requested me to review the Mamaearth anti-hair fall mask. So I decided to compile all those queries and make it into one video so that you don't waste your money and you get to make an informed decision before you actually spend your hard-earned money behind a hair mask. So without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so coming to the Schwarzkopf hair mask, which retails for rupees 600. Now in some sites you can also get it for rupees 540. Like I know currently on Amazon it is retailing for rupees 540, which is an amazing deal because you get huge quantity of that hair mask for that money, which is going to last you for months and months if you decide to use it once a week, because you need very little quantity and it is a fantastic hair mask. Like Schwarzkopf has not sponsored this video. They are probably not even aware that I exist on YouTube, but I keep praising their product because it is really that good. And as I keep saying, the very reason why I make these review videos is because I always try them in full and then give you those reviews so that you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. And with everything that is going around recently, times are difficult, so no one should really waste their money. So yeah, as I was saying, that even though Schwarzkopf is not aware that I exist on YouTube, I keep praising their product because it is that good. Okay, the texture is amazing. Like, it is so easy to spread on your hair, on your scalp, towards the roots, and it is just great to treat your hair if it is damaged. I had bought it when I had colored hair, and trust me, it had worked great on my hair. Like, if you do a lot of coloring in your hair, you will be knowing that your hair gets really damaged very easily because they put in all those bleach and the really nasty stuff. So it is great for that. And if you are someone who has colored their hair for the first time, then also it is like pretty great. So the Schwarzkopf hair mask is great if you have damaged hair, if you have colored hair, it is amazing. And if you just want a hair mask that is going to make your hair healthy, if you want like value out of your money, something that is going to last you a long time, so it is great. A more detailed review is in a video dedicated to this mask alone, which is in the description box down below, but I won't keep talking about this because otherwise this video is going to get unnecessarily long and you're just going to get bored. Okay, so coming to the second hair mask, which is probably the most requested hair mask on my channel, that a lot of you have messaged me saying that please review this hair mask from Mamaearth. So this is the Mamaearth onion hair mask. Now this also retails for rupees 600 for 200 ml of the product, and this hair mask is currently at a discount on Amazon, and I think it is retailing for rupees 521, so the deal is great. Now the Mamaearth onion hair mask is called for hair control, so it is dedicated for hair fall. I'll just go into a bit of more detail about the Mamaearth hair mask in this video because I don't have it reviewed on my channel. Now coming to the texture first. Okay, I did not like the texture at all. It is very thick. It is very difficult to spread on your scalp and towards the roots. It is just really very difficult to work with. Okay, so I did not like the texture. I hated the smell. It has such a strong smell, but I think that is a personal issue because I don't like products that have strong smells. I just have this resistance towards because it gives me a headache. Okay, very strong smell, and so I don't like it when I apply it because of its smell and because of its texture. But then again, there is this thing like when you wash it off, the smell does not stay. Like there are products whose smell stays on your hair even after you wash it off. This product smell does not stay on. But if you can look past the texture and the smell, like since this hair mask is for hair fall, does it work? It absolutely does. So I have to just mention one thing. For the Schwarzkopf hair mask or the Toni & Guy hair mask that I'm going to talk about in a few minutes, you apply it after you shampoo your hair, you put it on your hair, you keep it for 15 minutes and then you wash it off, right? But with the Mamaearth hair mask, the instructions on the dabba says that you slightly dampen your hair, then you apply the hair mask, you keep it for 15 to 20 minutes and then you wash it off with a shampoo. Now this is also why probably the smell does not stay on. So this is how they instruct to use the hair fall. I think they do it because it's a anti-hair fall treatment. Now I really like it and I'll tell you why. I just find it a bit boring to just stand in my bathroom with a hair mask on my hair for 15 minutes. But with this hair mask, I can apply it on my hair, leave it on, do other stuff, and then just, quickly go into the shower and wash it off with my shampoo. So I think that is great. You can also use the other hair masks that way, but I think it is better if you use it after the shampoo. So with this one, I think that is really nice. Since it works as a treatment, you apply it, then you wash it off with the shampoo. It's a quick thing. Basically, even though it's a treatment, you don't need to dedicate a lot of time towards the product, and it just does its own work and you do your own work. So the label says to get proper results, you use it for 2 to 3 times a week. Like now I used it for 3 weeks, twice every week, and I saw significant reduction in my hair fall. Hair fall has really reduced. Now is it a miracle product? No. It is not going to magically stop all your hair fall. It is going to aid in your hair fall control, which means that yes, if your hair was like, if every time you just combed your hair, you had 50 hairs falling out, you would have it like you would have 25 hair falling out or 20 hair falling out, okay, by 50 or maximum 60%. However, as I keep saying in most of my videos, that I have this video on a review and a comparison between all the Body Shop shampoos, wherein also I get comments that which is the shampoo for hair fall. So yes, the products that you use externally on your hair, they can help in aiding the control of your hair fall. Of course they will reduce hair fall, otherwise why will you spend so much money, 600 rupees, 1000 rupees, 1200 rupees on a particular product, right? You want to see results. Now even if the results are not instant, you're going to see results. Like I saw with this mask, your hair fall will reduce, but it is not going to go out completely if you don't address the cause of your hair fall. Like if your hair fall is from dandruff, then you have to treat the dandruff with an anti-dandruff shampoo, with proper treatment in your hair, and then follow it up with a mask like this. If your hair fall is because your scalp gets too oily, then you use a shampoo that controls that oil in your scalp, like oil control shampoo. Like if you need recommendations, I will mention them in the description box down below, but you can go with whichever you feel suits you, all right? Hair fall is because of some diet that is not suiting you, then you need to change your diet. So please first address the cause of the hair fall and then expect that the products will work on you. So yes, treat your dandruff, drink lots of water, like have a healthy diet, and then follow it up with the hair mask, and this is going to work, I promise you. Coming to the third hair mask that I have reviewed recently on my channel, this is the Toni & Guy mask for intense reconstruction, damage repair. I'm constantly looking at the dabba because yes, so it retails for rupees 1000 for 200 ml of the product. This is the most expensive product among the 3 hair masks. Now this is not an affordable hair mask. In my detailed review I have said that buy it only if you want to afford it. Like if you want to spend your money, if you can afford it, there is no pressure really. Like you can do away with this mask. This is not a mask. This is my go-to hair mask for occasions. Like when I want to treat my hair to something nice and I just want some instant shine in my hair, I use it. But if you spend 1000 rupees on this, it lasts you for literally 6-7 months because you don't use it every day. you use it occasionally to add some shine to your hair, like say twice a month. Now summing up and coming to the comparisons. So the Schwarzkopf hair mask is an all-round hair mask that treats damaged hair, colored hair, makes your hair look healthy, and maybe add some shine to it as well, but don't rely too much on the shine factor. But it really makes your hair healthy. Although I have not used it today, I have used the Mamaearth one. That dabba is over, okay? I have used it so much. But all of you who had bought it after seeing my review on the Schwarzkopf hair mask had come back on my channel and told me that I had bought it after seeing your review and it had worked really great for me, and it just makes me so happy. Like when you choose to spend your money after seeing my video and it doesn't disappoint you, it makes me really happy. It makes me that okay, my mission has been fulfilled. Okay, and Earth hair mask is great to treat hair fall, considering you're doing other stuff too. If you're to treat your hair fall, okay? So as I said, diet, dandruff, oily scalp, and then the hair mask. A hair mask is not a one-stop solution, and it applies for all the hair masks. The Toni & Guy hair mask is not a compulsory hair mask. In fact, none of the products are compulsory, okay? You don't need to spend your money if you don't want to. So there is no compulsory product here. You buy it only if you want to buy it. It's okay, like I don't want to use the word compulsory, but yeah, like even though these are like treatment masks, Schwarzkopf and Mamaearth, the Toni & Guy is not at all compulsory. You just buy it if you want to add some instant shine to your hair, give it a spa-like look, like semi-spa-like look, not a total spa-like look, instantly with one wash. Then the Toni & Guy one is great. So yes, that's it. That is there. All your questions answered. And if you did not have these questions but came to this video and realized, oh yeah, right, I might have had those questions, then I hope I could answer them as well. I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below. It helps me, encourages me to make more videos in the future. Don't forget to hit the like button, and please don't forget to check the description box down below, because I try to answer most of your questions there. So I really hope that you like this video. Please stay safe. Please give me more video suggestions. I will see you super soon, I promise. Bye.